Aloha, this is John, Massage on Maui with Orchid Love, taking you out my front door because there is simply an explosion, I'm not kidding, of flowers, so let's go see. I'm going to pan back so you can get an overview. And just look at these antelopes, which, if you've been watching me, you know they're one of my favorites. And in this spot, I've combined them with the calla lilies, so they have a little protection from the sun. They're gigantic. And as you can see, quite prolific. There's the one plant in the pot. Some old coconuts from the back coconut tree. Here's this one. And I'm telling you, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. In the back, 5, 6 new spikes coming out of it. And then we have these amazing plants that you've already seen. But what you haven't seen is in the back are the new ones. Look at that. Here is the yellow bird. I don't know what these are called. Look at that. And it is sending out spike after spike after spike after spike. Get that. Here, magnificent Vanda, miniature Vanda. You can see I'm experimenting with a vertical garden, recycling, water containers, and I am growing lettuce for my salad. I've been eating off of it for several weeks. And I thought I'd show you the pond with these little stars that just grow right out of the water. And inside there I am raising fancy tail guppies because I also have aquariums. And here we have the standby white dendrobium. There are more plants in spike, this one, so we will have to come back and see those when they get bloomed. And here's another one in spike. 1, 2, 3 spikes. Oops. Let's look at this little hair right here. Look at that. I can hardly get over the magnificent color. So, welcome. Thank you for visiting. And like and subscribe.